took the train to Lillehammer. Now we are waiting for the bus to Hafjell.
Yay.
It's been very easy to get here from Oslo.
Very pleasant and beautiful ride.
Yes. And made it in time to get in the last hour of skiing here at Hafjell. In the gondola, new board, United Shapes Horizon. I am so excited. First time this winter to be out. Can't wait. All things considered, even though it hasn't been great snow, it's still freaking beautiful at night. We are walking from the Hafjell Scandic Hotel. There's only a couple hotels here. Also, shout out Scandic, that breakfast is amazing. But it's about a 15-minute walk from the hotel to the base with the gondola and another lift. So yeah, it's not bad. If you're in ski boots, probably not fun, but with snowboard boots on, the walk's fine. There also are buses if you want.
Depending if you actually walk around.
Yeah, depending if you like to walk or not. Then you might not enjoy it. That's the little Olympic running person with the torch, because they had the Winter Olympics here in 1994, which is pretty sweet. All right, top of Hafjell, at the top of Hafjell 360, I think this lift is called. Very beautiful. Going to, oh yeah, flat lights. I got the lights. We're going to Gaiastova. How do you say it?
I don't know.
You're in the Scandinavian one. You should go. Nice little run here to this Gaia area where there's apparently a nice after-ski party and restaurant. Right up there.